Navrasa, everything was smooth. It was seamless, actually.
Hey, my name is Sagar.
And Divya?
So we came to know about Navrasa from one of my colleague friend in office. He showed us his 3D of the home and then I went to his home. The 3Ds which he showed me at the home were, quite exactly the same, which were very impressive.
The moment we stepped inside their office, we were kind of confused, like, whether we have to go with Navrasa or look for others. But Shubi made us feel like, yeah, this is it, and everything will be covered. So that comfort, that wavelength matched with Navrasa, and our journey kicked off. Designing from the 2Ds, 3Ds, everything was so streamlined, and initially they understood our likings and our the sense of taste and everything. So initially that matters. We didn't know that matters a lot in designing or not, but they understood our feelings, our taste, and based on that they build up the designs. So that shows the personal touch they give towards the designing, and it was best.
Yeah. I'm not that kind of a person who will do a lot of homework. Okay. So, but I was really impressed that Shubi and Naveen kept that point till the end, and they, always made sure that we have to do the least amount of work from our side. There are times when you're completely exhausted and literally we gave up. Okay, when they were even asking, we gave up. Okay, let's see, jo hoga dekhenge, theek hai. But I noticed that Shubi never gave up. She made sure that each and every corner, each and everything has to be perfect. Even that, for me, that steals the show.
And even if there is any changes from our end, it was like, okay, we'll see that, how that matches. It was no frowning from their end for any changes or for any, even the absurd requests. Everything was looked upon, and it was really good working with Navrasa. It was like heart-touching, smooth journey.
The complete team, Shubi, Naveen, Manogya, they were calm, composed. The main thing, when you are dealing with the designer, the whom, it will come up. It will come up to 85%, 90%, 100%. The journey, the experience of dealing with the people, that was top notch, I would say.
One challenge we faced was we both are totally contrast. I totally functionality person, and he's like totally luxurious person. He wants luxury, I want functionality. Like a melody, they merged our both likings together, and they brought up this house both with luxury, with the storage and functionality that I also want, and with the likings. My mother-in-law loves the temple, the mandir part. It is fabulous, and it is so authentic. So we were wondering where to place the mandir, either inside the study room or we will place it outside somewhere in the hall. But the idea that they provided was fabulous. So we had a servant room, we divided it into two. The first half of the part, which is closer to the hall, was mandir, and the behind one was storage.
It was a storage, yeah.
Yeah, that was a fabulous and beautiful mandir.
For me, I want my study room to be top notch.
Yeah.
And I would say in the entire home, I like that part very much. So
Yes.
thank you, Navrasa.
And it is a perfect copy of the 3D.
I think not just this study room, each and every part are, exact copy of the 3D.
The 3D was executed in such a beautiful manner. Like, when you see the 3D, it's like, I want this, I want that. Everything.
And even though if there are some gaps between 3D and the execution, but they made sure that they get it redone.
Right.
Even I may get tired, but they will never get tired of doing of redoing the things. But they will make sure we should be satisfied.
And too many questions that I ask.
Ah,
That's best with Navrasa.